The Cheney Homestead was the founder, Timothy Cheney, who was a clockmaker, made a second house in town and then gave it to his son George, who were the founders of the Cheney Silk Mill. The original house was built in 1785 and then it was added on. I went online and looked up a bunch of roofers and I was looking for a cedar roof. I was very happy to find something that looked like cedar, that wasn't cedar, but it still gave you the historical look of the house. When I came aboard as president, I decided that I wanted a new roof on. The insurance company wanted us to put a new roof on, and it came down to basically price. And when I say price, I'm looking over a 100-year period, not a 20-year period. Because it would have cost me to put cedar on for the same price I basically put this steel roof on, and yet I'm going to be able to save 3 more installations of roofs. The other thing that I was very concerned about was looks. And that was the main driving thing, that the house now looks like 1800, period. The on-site manager, he kept the place clean. We had an event in the middle, which didn't help him at all, but he had the place spotless for the tours. We gave a tour of 1,000 people through this house on that weekend. And like I say, the site was immaculate, and he was very easy to work with. I would say, first of all, come and look at it. Weigh out the cost over the years. And I went down to a house that they recommended that I looked at, and that's what really sold me. I told your project manager, if he ever needed to bring somebody over here, I'll be happy to give you a plus, an A+. We're very happy with the installation, how it came out, and more happy, the Cheney family is happy with the roof. That means a lot to us.